Hey loves, today I'm going to do the crochet faux locks on my daughter's hair. It's kind of the curly faux locks. If you like what you see, stay tuned and I'll give you a detailed tutorial. Also, I just wanted to thank my faithful subscribers. Your guys' comments just uplift me. I just really appreciate you watching my videos. And I am going to start putting out more videos and being more consistent now that I have a little more time. So just stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Okay, my daughter's hair is freshly washed. I will always start before you start braiding it and putting it in a protective style that's going to stay like that. Is to kind of moisturize the hair before you start braiding it. That way it's not dry and brittle for like weeks because they have this protective style in. So I tried to come up with a braid pattern that didn't cause so much bulkiness in the back, that heavy feeling, and where you have to put more braids in to kind of cover it up. So this is what I did. Okay, on this part, what I did is I kind of fed in the other braids. You see how I kind of braided straight up, so then I had all those braids hanging. Now when I'm going straight back, I'm just feeding those side braids into that braid. anything. Just keep watching and I'll show you what I did with the ends. Okay, this is completely optional. All I had was some like braid spray. It says wig spray, but it's kind of like a moisturizer kind of for the scalp, so it'll help with the itching. You can get like braid oils or other products or sprays just to kind of help with the itching. Now I'm taking my crochet needle, and as you see, I take the ends of those braids and then I'm crocheting it through the other braid. Okay, and then I'm just gonna pull those braids through until I don't see any more hair. And that's the braid pattern that I came up with. It's not as bulky and it's a lot flatter. Okay, this is the hair I purchased. This is the Curly Faux Locs. Now, I don't know about y'all beauty supply store, but my beauty supply store was taxing. It was like $10.99 a pack. And I think I probably used 5 packs on her hair, if not 6. I can't completely remember, but I know it was at least 5. Okay, now make sure you have a crochet needle. It has a little latch. And you want to open that latch, stick it underneath the braid, and then you will take the hair, and it already has a loop at the top. And once you get that loop through, you close it and then pull it through. And then I kind of just pulled it through the loop, opened it again, just so I can get that side of the hair, and I close it and pull it through that loop. Okay, now just a little tip. Always make sure that latch is closed before you pull it through, or it will snag on the hair and it'll be hard to get it out from underneath. So always make sure once you come back through with the hair that the latch is closed. When you first go in, the latch can be open. But when you have the hair connected to it and you pull it through, close the latch. Okay, this is the finished product. And now when you get to the front, which I didn't show in the video, you might want to get it close to the edge. That way it's not a lot of hair of your natural hair showing up there. And of course, then lay those baby hairs down. But I'll kind of show you. Now it looks really close to her baby hairs, and it came out beautiful. These faux locs are really lightweight, and she loved them. So please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and hit that like button. Thank you.